Are you suffering from sleep apnea? The loud snoring, getting up in the middle of the night, gasping for breath, dryness of the mouth? Do you know if you do not treat your sleep apnea, there can be so many health hazards to your body in the near future? Untreated sleep apnea can result in cardiac problems like atrial fibrillation. It can lead to excessive daytime sleepiness, which may decrease your productivity at work. It can also lead to vehicular accidents. Untreated obstructive sleep apnea can also have other lifelong complications. Do you know that in homeopathy we can help you